Hey there, it's Nathalie. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. So this is the third video of the Eastlake chair makeover. And I've already got the cover done, and I'm going to show you how to apply the gimp braid. I've got some 5/8 inch gimp braid that we're going to put on there. And if you enjoyed my videos, be sure you like, subscribe, share me with a friend. Anyway, don't go away, because we are going to finish this chair today. Alright, I have it all trimmed up. Everything is stapled and trimmed and cut off. All the little hairs are cut off. And I've got some gimp braid. This is 5/8 inch gimp braid, and I got it from Etsy. And I've turned under, I have a glue gun with it's a hot glue gun, and then I have turned under and hot glued just this end. So I'm ready to hot glue this in place. Some of it I will glue onto the chair, and then some of it I will put the glue onto the braid. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to put a little bit of glue underneath to make sure that catches in that little corner right there. Push it in because the staple doesn't go right there. Try not to get too many strings going on. And I'm only going to do a couple of inches at a time. Make sure I catch the staples, the edge of the fabric, and the wood. And so here I'm going to go ahead and get this off of the glue gun. Let's get this around here a second, and then I'm going to glue directly onto the braid. And my braid is right at the edge of the wood on this section, and I'll probably go just a little bit below that to make sure that I have the edges of the fabric caught. So maybe about 4 or 5 inches. And I did look at some of the professionals on YouTube, the ones that do upholstery training, and they used hot glue to put their gimp braid on. So I figure I'm good on that. Okay, I have this all the way around, and I'm to this last little bit. So what I want to do is cut off about a 1/2 inch longer than what that needs to be, and then a little bit of glue on the end, and then careful not to burn myself. Turn under about a 1/2 inch. I can just kind of see real quick if I need to scooch it in just a little bit more. Okay, that looks about right. And hold that for just the little strings, hold that for just a second until that glue has a chance to cool. that little piece of spider webby thing off of there. Okay, and so I'll do the same on the front and the back. I'll do the little fold under start and stop, and then the same thing on the chair back. On this part, I want to do a little mitered corner. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of glue on the braid. I've got my screwdriver to make that corner. And then we'll just kind of ease that in like that. And then when I get down here, I'm going to trim it and fold it at an angle so that it'll make a little miter over here. Fold that at an angle and then trim that extra off from here. Careful not to cut the top of that braid. That looks just about right. All right, we'll do the same thing on the front, and that will finish it. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this project. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. I already asked you to do that. Like, subscribe, share me with your friends, and I will see you next time whenever I come up with another project that I think you might like. Bye for now.